In PowerSHAPE 2016, we can now edit the standard scripts that come along with PowerSHAPE. If I want to export one of my electrodes, you can see here we've got the EDM data transfer files, and if I open that up, we've got a list. We've got AGI, Xiaomi, Makino, Mitsubishi, etc. And previously we could use the standard formats, or we could create a custom script completely from scratch. Now, however, we can edit the existing EDM scripts. If I go to the File Explorer and go to the C, Program Files, Delcam, the version of PowerSHAPE that you're running, and then in the product tree we've got File, Electrode. In here we now have a number of XML files which are our standard scripts. So let me just highlight those. So you can see here AGI, Xiaomi, Makino, Mitsubishi and the rest. So these are all in here now, and I can go ahead and select one of these and edit with Notepad. So let's say I wanted to set all the prep depth to 0. I could go to the appropriate line of text and I can go in here and change false to true and say save. Go back to PowerSHAPE, and then I will go in and choose my AGI Xiaomi job file, say OK. I'm going to export to the desktop and say finish. Let me just open up that file for my desktop. Here it is. Edit it with Notepad, and here is the script that's going to run my EDM. If you were previously using custom scripts by using a con file, all of these values are still going to be used. If I go back to the electrode script xiaomi.xml, if I just search for job file, you will see here all of the options that you've set in the Xiaomi_jobfile.conf file will be loaded up in your standard script. And that is in the same location in C, Program Files, Delcam, the version of PowerSHAPE file and Electrode. And you will recognize this if you've been using it as your jobfile.con. And again, you can go in here and set that if you wanted to.